It's Halloween, and the scariest thing I can think of is the fact that none of us truly knows how much time we have left in this life. And being alive is truly a wonderful blessing, and yet the catch is that none of us gets out of the here alive. While we are alive, there are things we yearn to experience, things we want to do, experiences we want to create, and we really only have right now. So often we torture ourselves by holding on to a dream and believing it to be impossible. Yet, you cannot have a dream without also having the capacity to bring about the realization of that dream or a greater good. I'm going to say that again. You cannot have a dream without also having the capacity to bring about the realization of that dream or a greater good. How often do we hold on to those dreams without the belief in the possibility of realizing it? And we may hold on to that feeling of longing, that yearning for years. And one day we may look back on all those years and think, why didn't I just go for it? If something is truly worthwhile, if the thought of doing something really brings you to life, if it has purpose and meaning for you, and if it brings good to others, stop thinking about all the reasons why it can't happen and start giving thought to all the ways it might be possible. If it is something that you would love to experience or create, then think about what that experience would be like. Think about all the sights, smells, sounds, and feelings being in that situation would entail, and get clear about what you want and why you want it. Because one day each one of us will lay down to rest for the last time. And when that day comes, we're far more likely to regret what we left undone than any offense we may have committed. You have a choice now to take action in the direction of the dream you wish to achieve or not. You deserve to live a richer and more fulfilling life, and it is my dream to help you realize yours. As an educator and life coach, I can teach you how you can transform your results. And if you'd like to schedule a complimentary strategy session to see if life coaching can help you, click on the calendar link in the description of this video. I have a number of workshops scheduled for November, excuse me. On November 8th, I will be giving a workshop entitled Building Your Dream, 3 Keys to Transforming Your Results. We will explore the power of having a solid vision for your future, how to create that vision, and how to take steps towards realizing that vision. If you'd like to sign up for that, the link for that will also be in the description, and you can always message me if you'd like to stay informed about all the workshops and programs I have going on. Happy Halloween. I'll see you in the next one.